Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I decided to do my first ever Did I Try video. And for this first episode, because let me tell you, I'm gonna be doing this a lot because I will be moving soon and I have so much stuff that I would like to decorate my own place. So for this episode, I decided that I'm gonna redo a painting that used to hang up on my left side of my desk. So this is the painting that I want to redo because the more I stare at it, the more I see the flaws and the mistakes that I've made. And so I decided I'm just gonna redo this painting, but with a few minor twists to it. The inspiration for creating this painting was I saw a black and white geometric background with some palm trees or palm leaves on Pinterest. It was like an iPhone wallpaper or something, and I decided that I wanted to create a painting. I actually had to like draw this by hand and paint it like however I thought it would look because I am not a skilled painter. I only painted when I was in high school as a hobby or in art class, so that is all the experience that I've had. Some of them actually look really nice. This flower looks absolutely hideous. For this episode, I decided let me go buy myself some stencils. So I bought this stencil from Michael's. I also bought this giant stencil also from Michael's. Not sponsored, but I'm just letting you know where I bought it. Fun fact, I was actually supposed to be doing this video like 2 months ago in the beginning of summer, but I keep forgetting to remind myself to buy paintbrushes, and I just reminded myself yesterday, and so I bought this in Walmart because I was like, ooh, these have like different angle brushes and different sizes, because normally I got the basic ones, the cheap ones, but if I want to get really detailed, I have these options for like the tinier sizes of the brushes. What better way to do some DIY crafting painting day with some wine. Now of course this wine, as you can see, is empty because I really like cold wine. The wine I like, of course, if you haven't seen the past few videos of my YouTube channel, I did talk about my favorite wine, and it was my girl Stella Rosa. I love white wine, and that is my go-to drink. I really like the pink one. It's so good. Let me get it. So I have my wine right here, Stella Rosa, not sponsored for those ASMR listeners. Maybe a little bit more. Now that I have everything situated, well, I'm gonna do this first. Satisfying. I think that painting is such a good hobby, especially when you like work in a stressful environment. Okay, I like to be like very organized, so let's get this started. I'm so nervous because I really don't want to mess this up. Even though that this is already a stencil, I still don't want to mess this up. It is not tight enough, like flat enough. It keeps rising up, and so like the paint just literally sinks underneath the stencil. So I'm gonna have to do some very intricate details, trying to like fix the mistakes because like it's not even perfectly straight. So there's that. so it's really not that bad. It's just very blotchy. As you can see, there are some marks that are not straight. They're curves because of the pulling of the paint, but I'm gonna fix this up with like some white paint. So we're gonna start off with this. And then this one's easy because it actually sticks to the canvas, so there won't be any budges or anything flying, which I absolutely love because it's so much better. I am loving this. Look at this. So I decided to switch my camera to that side so I can show you guys what I'm doing. So this was the green and yellow. I'm just doing it like different strokes so you guys can see like how pretty it is to just do it so random. Just trying to get everything colored, and then I think I'm gonna go in with like just green and then covering everything that I miss. And I'm not really, like, when I put a color down, I'm not like, you know, washing it and then doing a new one. I want it to be, like a mixture of each on its own or together. So instead of me washing it, it's just basically gonna mix together. And then I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna use like the darker green. Oh, it's so pretty. I freaking love it. So pretty. I love it. So I just finished my painting, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it. It doesn't look nice, but it looks nice from far away, but I might just redo it. So to be continued. This video is a continuation to my DIY try video. So after much thought and a little bit tweaks on my painting, I decided to just keep it. Here is the finished result. It looks so bad up close, but far away it looks so much better. And I think I like it. The mistakes and the what is it called, how it's not perfect or whatever, makes it look more authentic and more real. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more from me, join my Primacio posse by subscribing to my channel, hit that like button on this video, and I will see you guys soon.